CJ King. I'm Ashley.
I'm CJ.
And we're back with another video.
Yo.
We're back with another video. So today, guys, we're going to be doing a mukbang. And y'all know we love to eat. So yes, we're going to be doing a little mukbang. And we're going to be talking about today, we're going to be talking about our apartment. Yeah, we're going to be talking about our apartment today. So before we get into this video, we need y'all to like, comment, subscribe, drop that
subscribe when you'll be official part of the
PJ gang. You can't be part of this gang if you don't subscribe. So hit that subscribe button and make sure you share with everybody you know, okay? Make sure you share with your mama, your daddy, your granddaddy, your granddaddy's girlfriend, everybody boyfriend, everybody boyfriend. Share everybody you know, okay? Even share with the roaches and the rats in your house. God, I know you got rats. I know you got roaches. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. So yeah, y'all, we're gonna get into the video. And yes, our mukbang today is Jack's because we just wanted Jack's today. Well, he wanted Jack's. So
no, you wanted Jack's.
No, you wanted Jack's. I wanted Huddle House, but I don't know what they got. So yeah. You wanted Jack's. Don't be trying to see him, Frank. But yes, y'all wanna guess what I got? Y'all wanna guess? I think y'all should know. Chicken tenders. I don't know why I always smell it before I eat it. I don't know. I guess it gotta smell good before I eat it. So you gotta tell them what you got today.
I got a bacon king.
Yeah, and I got Jack's. Well, we got chicken tenders and fries, and I got me I got this drink. I got Hawaiian punch, but of course y'all know I got it in this cup. So we're just gonna talk to y'all today. Hopefully soon. Hopefully next week we will be moving. And y'all be seeing a lot more videos from us because we got to get these bangers out. Okay.
How is it?
They good, baby. And y'all comment down below if y'all got a Jack's in y'all city. I don't know, because everybody don't have Jack's. Like, Houston, they don't have Jack's. They have Jack in the Box, which is completely different from Jack's. But, to each his own, you know. Well, we ain't got Jack's. What you doing? Well, babe, I love Jack's. And then they breakfast be the one that be slamming, baby. So we ain't really doing much today. We just wanted to talk to y'all. We are gonna be doing a lot more videos. Y'all comment down below what kind of videos y'all want to see. Since we are moving into our apartment, we're gonna be doing a lot more cooking videos because we're gonna really have time to eat out. We're gonna eat out probably every Friday. We'll have a brother and sister, basically like a brother and sister date. So hopefully, you alright?
No.
CJ, alright. Nah. I mean, I thought he was finna choke, because what if he choke for real? Y'all wouldn't believe you. You gotta slow down when you're eating, for real. Slow down when you're eating. Might be an acid reflux. But yeah, y'all. We plan on moving next week, and y'all are gonna be getting a furnished. Y'all gonna get an empty apartment tour, and eventually, when we get through with all our furniture and stuff, y'all will get a furnished apartment tour. And y'all, I forgot to tell y'all, we are on the road to 100 subscribers. So y'all go ahead and get us there. Y'all follow us on all our social medias. You should follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, on YouTube. Y'all follow us on our YouTube because we both got our own personal YouTube too. Y'all follow us on our TikTok because we been grinding on there too, baby. So, y'all follow us, okay? What you trying to do? Get naked in here? I mean, what you doing?
I don't mind getting naked.
Oh, but I can't get naked in public. The police arrest you for decent exposure. You forgot. Alright. I dare you to get naked right out here in the parking lot.
What? I bet.
Go ahead and do it. I bet you gonna do that up in here, time. They have to tell y'all what we were. Oh well. I'm one of them type of I'm one of them type of female.
Hey, you try to eat fire, bro? Try one of them hoes.
What a nasty.
Try. I'm one of these hoes.
No man, I can try my own fire.
Try.
Damn, they're a little salty. Oh, too. I don't like that.
I'm back. I don't know what wrong with these fire, cuz.
These fries a little old.
Yeah. But it don't matter, but burger good as hell, though.
Chicken tender's kind of dry, that's why I'm dipping it in some honey mustard. Look at that, y'all. Y'all want some? You gotta get it for a drop. Oh, man. Y'all supposed to get it for a drop.
This is good burger, cuz.
You always eating your fat ass.
So, ain't nothing wrong with him.
Tell your mama about it.
I'm sorry there, bro.
Yeah, we always make that joke about tell your mama about this, tell your mama about that. He be like, you got the same mama.
I ain't with that today, cuz.
Got the same mama.
I ain't with that today, bro.
Alright, so then calm down.
Nah, bro.
Damn, man, what's wrong with
You
you?
be on some bullshit, bro. I ain't with this shit there, cuz.
CJ, stop.
What?
It's not funny.
What's not fun?
Your mama. The fuck?
I don't do that shit today, man.
Alright, CJ.
Yeah, I know they real. But it's
But see that, but y'all, we are gonna make some t-shirts. We're gonna be making some t-shirts for my auntie birthday. So, y'all are gonna get a video later on today. Which I have to edit, however, I have to edit 2 more videos. Well, yeah, 2 more videos. Well, actually, including this one, it's to be 3 videos that I have to edit. But the ones like when we do mukbangs and stuff, those just, I really don't have to really edit those because those be the raw and uncut. Because when we do mukbangs and stuff, those be the raw and uncut. Like if we do pranks without mukbangs, then those be the one that gotta be edited and all this stuff like that. So, but yeah, I tell you, I'm hungry. I ain't eaten that since this morning, the egg and muffin, and it was so dry. I even added some jelly on it. It was still dry.
You know what I'm making tonight?
What? Chicken quesadilla? Oh, man, we gotta go. Oh, dang, y'all is gonna have a couple more. Oh, y'all is gonna get a couple videos. So when we get in the apartment, y'all gonna get an empty apartment tour. Y'all gonna get a grocery shopping vlog. So us going grocery shopping. What up? What?
I forgot to do that.
What?
Take the application out.
Like the food off? Why you talking low?
What?
But you don't want to tell them folks gonna be on food stamps? Shit, bitch, ain't never on food stamp. A lot of these YouTubers, A lot of these YouTubers, man, they be scared to say if they on food stamp, baby. Hell yeah, we finna get on food stamp. Hell yes. And if any of y'all out there got food stamp, we can buy some food stamp from you, baby. Oh. Hell yeah, I want to buy some food stamp from you. Some people, they be ashamed to say, oh, I'm on food stamps. Some of the YouTubers, they be scared to say they on food stamps. The hell? The hell you look like being scared to say you on food stamps. You the baby right here.
I got it.
I don't know why some of the YouTubers be scared to say they on food stamp, baby. Ain't never on food stamp.
You better let your drink.
But I don't understand why people be scared to say like they on food stamps or if they on welfare or stuff like that. Baby, ain't nothing wrong. I feel like ain't nothing wrong with saying, now don't get all of it now. The hell? I feel like ain't nothing wrong with saying you on food stamps. Like it is this one couple that I like, and they be like, he had said one time, he said, we from the projects. Justin Brand, y'all shout out to them. Y'all go subscribe to their channel. Cause they ain't afraid to say they from the hood. I don't watch them anymore, but don't you issue? They always say they from the hood too.
Shit.
Yes, they do. They say they from the hood, CJ. For real. For real. That's what they say they from the hood.
From what side? What
They from Cleveland. We ain't from down there, nigga. Shit, we in the project, man. CJ, now you know we from the project, man. We from the hood for real. We from the hood. We from Bessemer. And a lot of people, when they say they from Bessemer or whatever, maybe y'all don't be from Bessemer. And a lot of people, when they say they from Montgomery, like some of the YouTube, they be like they from Birmingham. Maybe y'all ain't from no Birmingham. Y'all is from Montgomery. Alright, we from Bessemer. It's maybe like 5 or 10 minutes from Birmingham. But yeah, y'all. Today, we don't want to talk y'all head up too much. They trying to get a copyright, y'all. But yeah, we don't want to talk y'all head up too much. We just wanted to talk to y'all for a minute. We just want to let y'all know that we from the what? We from the west today?
No.
We from the north. We from big north side, baby. Big Bessemer. Not a little one. Play with your mama, not me, baby. Play with your mama, not me. Play with your hood, not Bessemer, baby. Huh? Put it like that, baby.
Tell you what finna.
But yeah, y'all, we don't like to talk y'all head up too much. And for everybody who be talking about, you know, bait card, nickel, and what all lead poisoning, baby. A lot of these people, they be doing baking in their section, in their session, you know, in their YouTube videos, like baking, you know, like having a mukbang and baking like that, you know, like smoking that swad. So look, and this is what we're gonna be doing in our videos. We ain't gonna be smoking, well, we don't smoke weed, but we do vape. So, and I'm pretty sure in a couple of our videos y'all have seen us vape. So yeah, I mean, that's what we do. It's kind of, after you eat, you want to vape. You don't want to just, you want to just hit the vape. And the only reason why we hear each other vape is because we sister and brother. Why wouldn't we? Oh shit. God damn, I'm thirsty as fuck. Now that's what's gonna, like in the future, that's what's gonna be really hard. Editing the cuss words out, cause baby, I ain't realize we cuss that much.
Oh God.
But yes, y'all. So like I said, we don't want to talk y'all head up too much. So if y'all like this video, I really need y'all to like,
comment,
subscribe,
drop the elbow subscribe button.
and you'll be officially a part of the PJ gang. You can't be a part of this gang if you don't subscribe. And who don't want to be a part of the PJ gang? Let them know who the PJ is today.
My little nephew.
And that's my son. So y'all gotta be a part of this game with us because, like I said, and I forgot to tell y'all, the whole month of October is SIDS Awareness Month. So y'all gotta represent with me and my brother because it's SIDS Awareness Month. And I gotta represent because my son, if y'all don't know, my son passed away due to SIDS. But that's on another. That's for a different subject in a different time. So yeah, y'all already know what time it is. Guess what? Y'all already know. We'll see y'all in the next video. Guess what, y'all? Y'all already know.